Good morning to all our listeners tuning this morning, to all our friends from overseas. We say Andra, Mbulbenaka. Oh, yo. And the Buddha talk and the Bitol Sala Matari Kuani Andra, ni Matavenaka. Erbeka Eleanor and Benaka Demis.
Yarbenaka, good morning to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning. Welcome to Ouch Palangi Show, the Broken English Show, saying good morning to all the students boarding the bus this morning as they make their way to school.
Yep.
To the ECE children, to the kindergarten students who are tuning in this morning. Some have celebrated ECE last week.
Yep.
Others are celebrating it this week. And we're sending our
Yeah.
To the Nasese Private Hospital.
Right.
Good morning to you and the family, to Eroni Ritova and the Nasese Private Hospital.
Staff.
Yeah.
Yes, they're always tuning in to VTFM every morning, every day.
Yeah.
To all the staff. We hope that you are enjoying your whatever you are.
Vula Vendretaki, good morning and the family in Naituba Lulutonga. Good morning and
Pramendra Singh.
Oh?
Pramendra Singh.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, Pramendra Singh and from the President Coffee Land family at President
Yandra.
Plaza, Samambula this morning.
Yeah.
Yarbinaka.
We say Yarbenaka to all the friends tuning from the western side of the country and to all the hotel workers who are doing morning shift this morning, maybe on their way to work. And to all the visitors from overseas
Right.
who may be listening this morning, we say Yandra and welcome to Ouch Palangi Show. How long have you been going?
Right.
No bath. How many days?
The more time I know about when I was in the hospital.
Oh,
Yeah.
right.
That's the only time, most of the time we know about
Right.
when we are in the hospital.
Right.
Because due to the sickness you have,
Right.
some of us just a toughy. That's what we used to do.
Right.
Not long. Kako ni baka mana-mana, may so long eh.
Otherwise.
Otherwise, the nurse
The big
will never
flies.
enter your room. They just
But
throw
you in the hospital, you tataf yourself or somebody else tataf you?
somebody will come and tatafi.
Right. Oi,
Oi!
you
Depending
really?
on the sickness you
No,
have.
we're talking about you.
Yes.
You tataf yourself or someone else tataf you?
Sometime myself, sometime some
Someone
people
else.
come.
Oi, okay.
Depend on the sickness you have, eh?
Right.
Oh,
Some people
okay.
very weak.
Right.
Yeah.
You can move. Sometimes you want to lose your eyes from your mouth.
And this one while staying in the hospital, lying in bed, Kongo tataf take on like the pussycat.
Pussycat. Yeah, really good. Yeah,
It's all about
sometimes
pussycat.
this kind of weather, some of us we will come with this proper uniform of no bath.
Yeah.
Right.
We will be don't
Don't make it a habit.
Yeah.
Don't be scared of the water.
Ato kay kidalan na sila
Let the water be scared of
ato kay
you.
kidalan na sila midnight.
Yeah.
Every midnight 12 a.m. in the
Right.
midnight
Yeah.
sa rosto ka dalindam-dam
Yeah.
sa pussycat too.
Pussycat may abal na lati-lati. Watery.
Hey, yan pinaka semua di mana beta mai makilina. Kerlain fisha yan pinaka alisi bulan 2.
Yeah.
Ratu chone bakalolo.
Yeah.
Muda level
Sampai
secondary
di-
school
di-
tabe uni.
Okay.
Tay sisa. May kulang ni mata ni Singapore kay tama.
Ano
Ano
na
ba-
turang
ano
matagal
ba-
ano ba na boleh usar ito kan. The correct way to jump onto a horseback, Demis. Because most of our matanga sa punto ko kasi may kornibuli na nguna
Right.
but we hira na simber mo kundo ni simbo punto ka nawasi. What is the correct way to
Okay, the best
Ride
way,
the horse.
it depends on the horse, eh?
yeah.
Right.
Depend on how who teach the horse.
Oh, okay.
And ang ni buli horse. Some horse are daw kinda tala.
Okay.
Some you only can hop to the horseback
Right.
on the right. Some only on the left.
Oi.
Iyo.
Sa.
Tush.
No, it's good that you share
Yeah,
it
good
to
one.
us.
Yeah.
Because me myself, I haven't
Yeah, ride a
ridden
horse.
Yes,
Yeah.
I haven't ridden a horse.
Oy. So sometime
Right?
some horse
Yeah.
daw baka muri rawa.
Oh,
Mo taranandali mo besok kinauduna.
Yeah.
And some they fraile, mera
Yeah.
fraile.
Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
Then very is some you have to climb on a tree. Some you can jump.
Oi.
any side, depending on what kind of horse, eh?
Right.
So now siya rando bikat, rando bimbari, na namin ako na bimbari.
Yeah.
Karuna, ni sarida nga na siya, when you see the horse ears down,
Yeah.
misanda boy ko sa kilasar nga sa parundo rito po da borda ka ba.
Oi, that's a warning.
Okay.
Let's warning.
Warning sign, eh?
Alright.
Yeah.
Iyo.
Mo sarida ni santa mo ng talingana. Ya sa bakarita kaya ni sa sarem talingana.
Iyo.
Yeah, you
Bawaraw.
have to be sa pula sana
Keep away.
Iyo.
Iyo.
Sometimes some horse they go.
Uy.
Naman ra.
Sandi na.
Yung sambung ko to,
No, this one.
Have you ever
This one.
experienced-
Buto ng durung.
This one, most of the time,
Yeah.
want to horse the horse.
Horse na horse meron ng gamona. One time, one of our horse, one of our horse in the village,
Yeah.
natana to tarteteka.
Ay!
O tarteteka.
Right.
Na teteka, na eeka na soso.
Iyo.
Ni tara na soso, ngo ostangan ni.
Iya.
Ngaro ko nga natan sa ro kila na matakalo si bala. Natan no tartetek. O sungo osto bola. When this horse coming, when you see him like this on the pitch or somewhere you elebuan ngo na besu tutol wana singa, minto para rota gitu. Ni osto bola. You have to be very very active when you come.
Iya.
Okay.
Mo kinda chico.
Iyo. Kinda.
Kinda tipo.
Yeah.
Vahamuri ra besu kara uduna, you tie the rope on the nose, then you untie.
Oy.
If no, you will see the fun.
Sandi na.
And you tie him sa me bolak sa ndo bunikaw.
Iyo.
Me bolak kirando mo na.
Besu lakalakay?
Awose to boda. Lewu na ngone pa mabota ka, ndo ubika kati.
Iyo.
Uy, okay.
If somebody wants to come sa sorndo baka meron daw late taro si mga Vitali taong balik tumoy sa hawa okay. Sir ka mo siguro.
Iyo.
You can do to this horse.
Oy.
Tartetek.
Okay.
Tartetek.
Ayaw sa nga. So, how do we train the horse, Demis?
Train the horse, some people, most of us in the village, we train the horse in the water.
Iyo.
Oy, okay.
Nabuli ko sa sindara, marto pa ulit ko doon naman.
Hindi na, sir.
Doon naman isang kayong bumundo kipakan dua.
Iyo.
When you jump onto sa horseback, uy, relante, tumbu.
Iyo.
Yeah, they don't want you to, yeah.
You have to do into the water because to help you,
okay.
Iyo.
they can throw their leg.
Right.
Yeah.
They take it.
Right.
They can run after you when you're there in the water. Rawan in Robin Kalobi.
Right.
You can
Lang
swim.
nga sali no pa mo ko.
Iyo.
Sali wata.
Sa lewala, o tiyan yung taratun na tombe na ulo na.
Iya.
Na
Skirt.
na
Iya.
tombe.
Iya, na tombe.
You from there you tie properly then boom. Ciao. Up down and all that. Nabuli.
Right.
So and after that,
Iya.
before you train a horse
Right.
to come and ride,
Iyo.
you have to first. Baka matutukaman ta kami domon dali. When they young. May gusto kan domon ng dali, meron dali tu.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah,
Mataw
okay,
si ko ng dali.
okay.
May mata tubi ko ng dali.
Oh,
That's the first
familiar with
thing.
the rope, yeah?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the first thing you have to do.
Iya.
Yaran dali, Vitalia, suti ko meron nana. May kunin bala ko sa randali.
Iyo.
Okay.
Nandali talaga may kunin besyo na money muri.
Okay.
Balik kay bakala ko, you can stop somewhere in the forest.
Iya.
Itaw tadori rin pakabuno na lang.
Iya.
Oh,
May
okay.
baka may nga no morning dali.
Okay.
May lakbang ko, may kandra kong pasong ko, may kunin lang kami kinandali.
Right, bitaw.
Right.
Yawa.
Makamay nga.
Iyo.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
And don't let tandali to be long.
Iyo.
May kala ka to nga, balik may kunin pakabuno na tadori oro.
Iya.
Right. Ano na, wala mo tari sa totoo
Yeah,
ka
that's something educational, eh?
Iyo, hindi na
For
sa.
us this morning.
Ikaw matulot ka na pabulitan ako si Valikuro.
Wala ko kami! Puro-puro na ako na. Abaka ito na si Recoling ko. Handa mo siya.
Ito may malaki ito katalawi ka turo mata ni kuwa.
One day, I fall sa luto tinawsi.
Uy!
I fall on the horse one time.
Iyo.
This horse is a momopita ice horse, eh?
Iyo.
Right.
And this horse, they normally, ito nga na po na nadivi.
Right.
Kumukuta sa siya nga. Ito nga, kaya sa divi ngutungutuan, kaya wasta nga, siyempre rin ba umuso, eh?
Iyo.
So, he will run after the female horse.
Oh, okay.
Kata nga, siyempre ni...
Iya.
So after that, one day we just came from the village. Yo kochoka o tamay JJ, baro timo tamay JJ menakoro. O fo maturangan ni koro from the village. O tamay JJ Moses kakaramu.
Yeah.
O mambol timo tamay JJ.
Yeah.
Eto sartu ngai dagan ko naramu bata kina sibiriti.
Oy,
Ngai biya choka. Because he was the people at home and after the Christmas.
Yeah.
After the Christmas, all the oldies all the people there will tools down.
Iya.
So us gang, kanta sangkay tumbuh lagi tikumay, we will be the one who will
Yes.
be carry the dalo.
Right.
Bakit doon?
Yeah.
Doing everything.
Yeah, doing everything.
Iya.
From there, I was in secondary school. We both in secondary school.
Yeah.
So, no, myself, secondary school. I was in Form 7 that time. So, Tamay JJ, we together. Tumaka, okay, which house you take? I'll take Beleki.
Right.
Iya.
So, which Beleki? Beleki is standing there.
Iya.
Then after that, I take Momopita as Tamay Sea. So, from there we go.
Iya.
When we looking for Beleki, Beleki was missing from there. I was saying, I was buku. O kaya, he pulled the kasaba itself.
Uy!
Edabuta na nilako di bago baka ngona dumangan den do edabuta wika.
O kaya go?
Edabuta kanyan na liwin tabiok.
Saan din na?
O siya tiyatal?
Tiatali. Yung may susulo manibal.
Kaya sa susuwali ko, no?
Susara na manibal ya. Then after that we jump. Nangunin ko, nausi ko.
Iya.
On the bend.
Yeah.
Start nga na bend, kumukuta siya sa sadid.
Oh, he knows every
Yeah,
point
yeah.
na visit
Yeah,
na.
alright.
Pero sarang nga. Okay,
Yeah,
it's a...
very smart.
Very smart host.
Tamay JJ
Iya.
was the choka.
Iya.
Ngay kila nga ko di me choka tu matenitu.
Ramen the spirit.
Oya u bondo timur la ko kuita. Then da bono sa kay si da sang kay sibita o charang orto na katabila.
Iya.
Si soso ngay si nga ropa sartunga na oseng ko nang buda ni mode tuilu ndo na osale. Vital tu ngay lungi sambuida. Kuita ko. Adona ben when the ben sisi na mana. Slide.
Iya.
Orang na bita dini robo ka tumbu-tumbu may. May JJ pata kita may am.
May
May
batu nga.
may JJ
May batu nga.
na.
May bitar na mas lutur. May kundar kamboy na.
Ano benaka? Wais na Rusa, may Melbourne, Australia. Ano benaka?
Ya, matali ko kyo na kanda na ital no ni bondo ose.
Right.
Mata kaya ital no ni terinte kyo ose.
One day I will take you to if you want to ride horse we go and teach
Siya
you.
no, batero kasi berbondo ose ko do.
No, no ko mondo si mo mondo sindo na oskila.
Osmano ah.
Iya, o si Mano.
Please. Puni otar taka taka so ite.
Eh, betul nak kata bito ka ni boleh mai mo botan dar ka da boleh dar mata di kuwa na ose ragwa ka buku talang ira.
Iya.
Eh?
Iya.
So na ose mano so satu kacingan na
Kwento ya, baka di main doon ng kasi.
Iyo.
Isa, rest in peace Bumaika, ando talaga na ako sinipati. Ako siya ko, di ko salah limang ko siya lo.
Iya.
Sa lain rabu tu. Sa sinin to, makutan limang si lima.
Iya.
Asi, niyo ko ya. Ona numang nga data ka na tarasala.
Ha.
Na besu nga meke, sir nga menandaling ko, ndo tala buni ko sana.
Iya.
Sir nito, makutu mera bakambala, na ako si Tomoda.
Oi.
Dobi katin, dobi bari. Dobi di muri sir nga.
Sa.
Dore to buku ko mbaka taka ko ni singoni.
Okay, si Madale, may Tomoda nga.
Kami ni lasero ko to yar benaka. Ano
Kamule
benaka?
kanina do kay ka.
So. Ya betul betul kan ada italon nanda bondo
Iya.
ose na mata di kuwa sa mo sumaya na
Di boy
baka.
phone na benaka. Bulare,
Bulan
bulare.
rin na sawana, ni kasawa. May no na Korea ya ang gutuban ng durunggung ko.
Uy.
Oi.
Iya. Darang ngone kito atalay gay nguni salamin ako, nguni salada ni ulo ko ni titi. Sa ni surbang ko, so ngone baka tutusar nga.
Iya.
Tangga tuiden ko doon tanga 5,000 na ang gona. Mo gay sanga mo, si so ngono ya litalitu, o si kaut ko ngana lako.
Iya.
Ya litalitu na tanga ang gona bango. Sangkay baka irutal tu bang gratul tu.
Iya, iya.
Kan di baka usa.
Iya. Sa. Marot siguro bola, go kur mundo.